Google just dropped a Nano Banana on OpenAI, MidJourney, Photoshop, and the rest of AI photo tools. And you can use this amazing AI photo editing tool for free and generate images that look ultra realistic and edit like a pro. Let's get started. Head over to any search engine and type Gemini. Now click on the first link that appears. Here, sign up with your Google account. You can add files, but for now click on the tools icon and select Create Images. You can do the same by clicking Notification on the top of the screen. Now click on the Add Files icon and select your image. Once the image is uploaded, type a detailed prompt. You can also go with basic prompts, but write the prompt according to changes you want in the image. I want to change the shirt to a different club, so I will write the prompt accordingly. Once completed, click on the Submit and wait for Google Nano Banana to make the changes according to your prompt. Within few seconds, it has generated the images with changes mentioned in the prompt. You can click on the picture to expand it and view it. If you see this limit message, you can switch to Google Flash 2.5 or watch this video till end. I will share an amazing free AI tool, using which you can generate and edit unlimited images. Now select and upload your image and click on Tools icon and select Create Image. It will select the Nano Banana model for you. Now write your prompt. I want to change the shirt to different club jersey and also add beard to Ronaldo. I will write the prompt accordingly. Once you are done with the prompt, click on the Submit icon and let Nano Banana do its job. Once the image is generated with the changes, you can click on the image to expand it and download in high quality. Let's now edit this image and add Messi. So I will write something like, now add Messi to the image handing over World Cup to Ronaldo, and click Submit. Once the image is generated, check the changes by clicking on the image. It has edited the image exactly as I described. It looks ultra real. Let's change the background of the image. I will describe the changes I want in the image, and I will submit the image. If you see a message like this, go back to the prompt box and rewrite your prompt with adjustments to avoid this error. And make as many changes you want in the image. The final result will always be amazing and the character will be consistent in every edit, which is rare if we compare with other AI tools that generate and edit images. There are plenty of use cases, and I will discuss a few in the next video. You can use Google Nano Banana to remove unwanted objects from any image. It will remove the object and fill it with its surrounding. This use case is handy if someone appeared in front of the camera while you were clicking a memorable picture in front of a famous location, and you only have that one good picture of the trip. Or you want to remove random trash items from a photo. Google Nano Banana will do it for you in just seconds. And the quality of the removal is also amazing. If you are removing a trash can or bottle, but Nano Banana was not able to remove it as a whole, you can describe the single trash item one by one, and it will remove the object more accurately. The second method for accessing Google Nano Banana is through Google AI Studio. Search for it and click on the link that says aistudio.google.com. Once you are in the main interface of Google AI Studio, click on the tab that says Try Nano Banana and click Run button. The final output is same as the prompt. Now click on the plus icon and select Upload Image. Select your image and type the prompt. And click Run. I will give you a warning about why the output was blocked. It happens because you cannot swap famous people faces. So I will select single picture of Ronaldo and describe it to create a World Cup winning picture and show Ronaldo as a player of Argentina alongside Messi. Once the image is generated, click on it and review it. The quality is also amazing and top-notch. You can also download it for later use. Now, let's unfold the secret AI tool that offers free unlimited image generation using Google Nano Banana. The tool is called LM Arena AI. Link is also provided in the description of this video. Once you are in the main interface of LM Arena, go to the top left corner and click on the drop-down. Here you will see 3 models. First one is to compare 2 results from anonymous models. Second one is to compare 2 models of your choice, and last one is for direct chat with single model. Select option 3rd. Now you can choose a model of your liking from a list of models, but you can click on the image icon and it will automatically select the Nano Banana model for you. Now click on the Add Files icon and select the picture you want to edit and click Open. Once the image is uploaded, write your prompt. Once you describe the changes you want in the image, click on the Submit button and click Agree. If you compare the output with the image you uploaded, the character is consistent. And if you again write a prompt to make changes, but the output is totally different from what you described it be, you can simply download the version that is most relevant and upload that image again. Once it is uploaded again, you can write the prompt again and be more accurate about what you want in the image. Once you get the desired result, you can once again compare the two images and download the final output.